What's up, guys? Happy Father's Day weekend. We're up here this morning. It's actually lunchtime now, but I'm feeling a little motivated today. I got up early, went and got my hair cut, and I've got some stuff done on the race car. So I'm gonna show you what I got done this morning. You already see one thing I got done. But we mounted up our billet pedal assembly. Got a tab here in the corner, tab down here low off of that main bolt that holds the clutch pedal, and then we have a couple tabs in the car here. So good and stiff now. We've got to get with Ryan at FFP and get our other bracket that's going to make our standoff for our throttle pedal, and then our billet pedal assembly will be complete. But the main thing we did today, or I did today, I keep saying we, but it's me. We got our rear end in. My rear end in. Check it out. Now I've got just one of the tires on here now, just to kind of check and make sure we're halfway adjusted right. I've just got this thing mocked up in the same position, just eyeballing it that the other rear was. I'll switch the rod ends to the 1/2 inch ID holes style, and just matched up the thread depth, run them in, kind of put my bars where I thought they would, be good for mock-up. So we're not going down the track probably adjusted like this, but it's good enough to have it in the car and roll it around in the shop. So just give you a look at it in the car. I think it's kind of tough to get in here by myself. I used the pallet jack again, but still kind of tough. Now our shock mounts, let's talk about those. Going over this stuff with Brian, it was very helpful that he communicated back and forth with me about the measurements. So he fixtured my old rear end, and the shock mounts on the rear of the other one, he said we were gonna move outboard in line with the 4-link brackets, and we were gonna move them back 1.5 inches on center. So that was really helpful information to have in Messenger, so I could go back and look. So what I did is, this is my old shock mounts here. Did a plumb bob off a bolt. Make sure the string's in the middle of the bolt, not hanging off the side. But made a mark on the floor. There. Measured 1.5 inches back. Put a straight edge across. Did 2 marks like that. Made sure it was straight. Come back here, hung my plumb bob off the frame rail until it lined up with my mark in the floor. So at that point, I can see my string center line coming down through here. I made some aluminum spacers to go in between my tabs here, put my bolts in there, and I put the bolt head in the center line with the string, with a magnet on the bottom of it to make sure I was, flat with the chassis. So a lot going on, but I was able to hit it first time because I'm only like 1/2 degree off 90 with the shocks here, and that's without adjusting anything, just throwing it back in the car. So they're pretty straight up and down for just going off that measurement. So that was very helpful to have that to go back on. I've got to make my wishbone. That's something that I sold with my other rear. Help Mr. Blanton out. So wishbone hookups here. I've got to remake that. So that'll be next on the list. But extremely happy with the way this thing come out. Again, it's just kind of thrown in there now. It's probably hanging a little bit off center. Brakeman brakes look sweet. The scalloped rotors there. Yeah, just breathe on this thing and it goes in and out, in and out. But we're gonna run radials. These are 29.5 10.5 slicks, stiff walls, but we're gonna fit everything up with these because, you know, with the tubs and everything that we do, I'm gonna make sure it's gonna clear that tire, because if I ever want to put that big a tire back on the car, I want to know that it's gonna work out. But we're gonna run a 28 Pro Bracket radial. So, but that's it. Our Saturday of fun, getting our Hammer Concepts rear into the car. I can't stop looking at this thing. Can't believe we pulled the trigger and got this nice of a rear for this car. This really finished it out with all the long list of parts. But yeah, that's your update for this week. Next week, not gonna be here because we're gonna be at Streetcar Takeover Z-Max. So if you're in and around or planning to come to that event, it's gonna be a good time. It always is. One of the biggest streetcar takeovers that they do. I think the biggest that they do. We're just fortunate that it's in our town. So we're gonna be there next weekend checking out several customers' cars and just all the action that's going to go on. So if you're there, we might see you there. So have a good weekend. See ya.